Okay, guys, so after you have watched the 6-turn pattern system, now I'm going to share with you the 7 ways of holding hands. Because if we have only 6 turns that we can start practicing over and over again, which gives us more connection to our partners, instead of trying to reach the database with those hundreds of turns, you now want to know how to combine those 6 turns with the way you're holding her hands. Now, basically, you will find out, if you start investigating this, that there are 7 ways. This is what we call position number 1. It's my left with the right hand of my partner. Position number 1. Position number 2, it's exactly the other way around. It's the right hand of the guy and the left hand of the lady. And the third one is parallel holds. We call this part number 3. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and 3. In 4, we change hands. So I can always start a combination with a change hand position. This is both with our right hand, and now I'm going to do the same with my left. So we call this left-left hold. They also call this the shake hand position, and this is the reverse shake hand. You can also work in numbers. In that case, this is number 4, and this is number 5. Now, there are 7 ways of holding hands, so we have 2 more to go. In number 6, we cross the hands double, and the left hand is down, and the right hand is up. And the other one is left hand up, and the right hand down. Now, to give you a short explanation, we're going to do 1 turn, turn number 1 of the 6-turn pattern system, a single right turn. And I'm going to show you how you can combine this. So this is position number 1. Hand position number 2, I am now turning her again, same turn, but it feels totally different because I'm doing it with my other hand. I can do the same with 2 hands. If I keep my thumbs open and I keep my elbows out, I can easily give her this turn. Now, of course, from now on, it gives me all kinds of options to do different kind of things. But we first focus on what can you do in the single right turn, 2 hands. Can we also do it with the shake hand position number 4? Yes, I'm sure you have done this many times. You can turn her like this. Can I also turn her with the left-left? Usually the left-left starts when you come out of something else. Many times this position is being done after, for example, this one, 1. And this is why they end up here. Can I give her a single right turn? Yes, I can, you see. And again, this gives me many, many options, going here or going under. But again, in number 5, it's possible. Number 6, the double hand hold, you see. Actually, number 6 is left hand down. Number 6, can I do in number 6 a single right turn? I can. The nice thing is that after this turn, I now end up in number 7, you see. Can I turn her in number 7? Well, with slight effort, I can. If I bring my elbow in, I can give her even this turn. But let's say this is tricky. This is quite difficult. Let's say you leave this out. Then now, guys, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways in giving her just a single right turn. Now, let's say that if you start combining this, let's say we take any kind of turn. We take the enchufa, for example. Can I do that with left? Yes. Can I do it with my right hand? Yes. Can I do the enchufa with 2 hands? Yes, I can. Can I do it with number 4? This works nice. Can I do it with number 5? Yes, I can. And immediately when I start doing that, it gives me all kinds of options because it feels totally different. Let's say we're here. Can I give her an enchufa here? This is difficult. You see, I'm getting stuck. But still, it gives me some new ideas to maybe go here and maybe change it into another turn. But again, let's leave away the enchufa with number 6. But number 7, it goes perfect. So what does this mean, guys? When you have the 7 ways of holding hands, the only thing you have to do is take the 6-turn pattern system, choose 1 turn only, and start trying those different kind of hand positions. Then the only thing you now have to do is add 1 more little system, and that's you can bring your hand up, you can bring it to her shoulder height, or you can bring it down. And with down, I mean the hand lower than her elbow. Why? Because if I send the hand towards the elbow on the same height, then she will build tension immediately. The moment I start being on the same height and I push, she builds resistance. But the moment that I push and now I bring it down lower than the elbow, the resistance goes away. And this is why we can do stuff like this, like hammerlocks. So let's see, how does this work? Let's say we take the 3 heights. And we just take 1 turn as an example. Let's take the single right turn. What happens if I do it on height number 1? She goes under. What happens if I go to number 2? Look what happens. Something totally different. Can we work with this? Yes, of course. Look, if I continue with this, I can do other stuff after that. And what happens when I bring it down? In this case, she will turn in. You see, I can do this. But when I take the other hand and I bring it down, this is what's going to happen. You see? So remember, 7 ways of holding hands. And there are 3 levels of what I call high and low. Together with your 6 turn pattern system, you have a salsa matrix that can build you literally hundreds and maybe even more than that, maybe thousands of turns. Remember one thing, every single end gives an opportunity to a new beginning of something else. Start experimenting it, guys, and it's like, you know the movie The Matrix? That you have those 2 pills? Which one do you want to take? Do you want to stay in your database, stuck forever, losing all the connection? Or you want to take the other pill where the curtain will open? It takes some effort, guys, but it's worth it, okay? Keep practicing. See you back on the dance floor.